Make this face tracking effect in After Effects. So first, make sure that you have this tracker window enabled. If you don't have it, then go to Window and make sure to enable Tracker. Now select your clip and then head over to Tracker window and click on Stabilize Motion. This will now open up a new layer in our project in which we can track our subject. You should also find these rectangles in the center of the screen, which is the built-in tracker in After Effects. You can zoom in and out using the scroll wheel on your mouse, and you can move around in the window by holding the spacebar and then clicking and dragging with your mouse. Now click and hold with your mouse to move the tracker and position it on your subject. Now make sure that the playhead is at the start of the clip and then click on the play icon on the tracker window. This will now track the subject throughout the clip, and it's really important to look that the tracker is stable on the subject. And as you can see, the tracker didn't track the subject correctly. When you see this happening, then simply stop the tracking, and then move the playhead back until you see that the tracker is leaving the subject, and then simply reposition the tracker on the face again. And if you want, you can also track only one frame forward by clicking this arrow on the right. You can do this to check if the tracker is correctly tracking the subject again, or simply if you want to track one frame at a time. Now click on the play icon and make sure to reposition the tracker if it's off track again. Now once you're done, then click on apply on the tracker window, and then make sure that the dimensions are set to X and Y, and then press OK. If you now play back the video, you can see the transparent background, which is really annoying. We can remove it by selecting your layer and then pressing S for scale, then increase the value. You also need to reposition the video, so click P for position and then move the subject to the center of the screen. Subscribe.